Really.
Hello everybody. This is week 3. As you can see, Zazu is a lot bigger. He's looking more like a bird. We've changed his diet up a little bit. Want to get a bit more roughage and a bit more variety. So I bought this apple black currant delight baby puree. We're still using kitten pellets, baby porridge and banana, and as you can see I mixed it all nicely in there, nice and soft. We now upped his feeding to 10 ml syringe. As you can see, it's a lot bigger. He normally goes through this quite quick, but I'm just going to feed him a little bit and then yeah, let's see. Comes Isaiah. He's also calling a lot more now. He's got a different sound, and I still help him a bit. He doesn't open his mouth and cry. Okay. As you can see, his feathers are all coming out. He's looking a lot more puffier. He's a bit of a fatty because we feed him a lot. Oh, there we go. He likes to poop a lot. Come on. Here we go. We've also changed his little nest. He's actually grown. We're using a bit bigger bucket now. But I'll show you now how I make his little bed for him. We keep him in a shoebox now because he's hopping around. But we still keep him in a hot blanket at night, just to keep him a bit warm. Come on. There we go, he's falling asleep. You can see all the nice reds coming out on his head now, and the red in his tail. The nice yellow hairs on his breast. It's quite amazing how fast they grow. Okay, so that's about his feeding now. He doesn't look too hungry anymore, but I'll feed him again in an hour's time. Like I say, try and feed him every hour. Sometimes we're a bit late because we get a bit busy at work. And I'm going to show you how we make his bed. Like I say, we put toilet paper, we stuff it in there, and then we make him another one. This is like a nappy because they like to poop. Oh, he's going to poop now. Just you got to aim his bum on the toilet paper. They like to back off a lot before they shoot. Okay, he looks like he's fine. But we make the nappy again. So then we make him a little nappy. There we go. Pick him up a bit. Oopsie, is he gonna poop? No, don't poop. You tuck him in like that, and then I take an old sock, I run it around, and then I take one of my old underpantses. You have to improvise. And I put him in like that, and we put him in the shoebox like that. We normally just close it lightly because he is now jumping around. And then we just tuck it a little bit. You don't want to block it too much, don't suffocate him. And then we tuck him under his blanket. It's a bit warm. We put it on 1 degree, and that's his bed for the night. Thank you everybody, and we'll see you next week. Bye.